Hello Matco Tools race fans and customers, welcome to the 42nd run-in of the Baja 500. I'm Mark Fishburne, District Manager for Matco Tools out of Northern Colorado. I'm going to be solo piloting the Matco Tools race bike the entire course.
I'm Tim Coleman. I'm a 6-year distributor out of Denver, Colorado. I'm going to be with a trophy truck race team. They've had our half-inch cordless lithium-ion impact wrench out in the desert, abusing it with the sand, the silt, the mud. They've used it for tire changes. They've used it and abused it for a week. 725 foot-pounds of torque, lithium-ion powered battery, no air hoses needed. You should have one of these babies in your toolbox.
You ready for the excitement? Come for a ride with us.
Okay, so now we're out here in the desert, mile marker 220. We're here with Pat with Desert Assassins Racing. He's been using our half-inch cordless impact for about a week now out in the desert. What do you think of this, Pat?
Great tool. We're out here racing 500 miles in the brutal Baja desert, and one of the things that we need to make sure is the lugs are all tight, and I don't have to worry about it using this gun.
And with 725 pounds of breakaway torque, you don't have to worry about them not coming on.
Changing tires fast is really key. The race could come down to seconds, and anything that we can do to save seconds is something that we need to have in our pit. Tool. We had a really great pit stop in here. We got Cameron Steele in and out of here, and that's what we wanted to do. First time I hit it, it felt like the gun just wanted to rip out of my hand, and I'm not used to that because I've used so many other competitors' tools, and the torque on this thing is amazing. When you have the air, you've got hoses and fittings and the nitrogen container. We get to eliminate all that in a handheld deal, and it works just as good as the air tools out there. And I've used pretty much everything out there. I mean, we've been desert racing for a lot of years now, so we're always looking for the next best thing.
Now, we tried to seal this unit up really good with some weather-tight and sand-resistant seals, and as you'll notice in the video, this thing hit the dirt a couple of times.
With your competitor guns, I don't know if they're charged or not, but what Matco's done is I actually put a battery indicator on the back of the battery so you can look and see if it's charged or not. And with these lithium batteries, you can charge them whenever you want.
They put a good anvil on these guns so they hold the sockets real well.
Yeah, I mean, you can just tell, they're real easy on, real easy off, but they stay on, I mean, you can just see how easy it is to go on. But it goes on good enough, and I can hear that snap to where I know when I'm in the middle of a pit stop changing the tire, the socket's not going to stay with the lug. Man, this tool just saved us a lot of time. Big shout out to all the Matco distributors out there in the Southern California region. You guys are doing an awesome job.
It's been a pleasure. I appreciate you taking the time to talk to us and go over our features and benefits of our gun. Glad you're happy with it. I hope we see a whole bunch of them out here in Baja and back home with you guys.
This is the best tool I've ever used. It's pretty awesome.